If your Hyundai shows a check BSD system warning, it means the blind spot detection system isn't functioning properly. BSD uses radar sensors mounted in the rear bumper corners to monitor vehicles in adjacent lanes and alert you through mirror indicators and dashboard messages. When this warning appears, the system may be temporarily disabled, reducing your blind spot protection. In many cases, the cause is simple and fixable. 1. Inspect the rear bumper corners where the radar sensors are located and check for dirt, snow, or debris. 2. Clean the sensor areas gently, using mild soap and water, avoiding high pressure spray. 3. Turn the vehicle off and disconnect the negative battery terminal for a few minutes to reset the system. 4. Reconnect the battery and drive above 20 miles per hour for several minutes to allow recalibration. 5. Check the infotainment menu under driver assistance settings to ensure BSD is enabled. 6. If the warning persists, have the system scanned for diagnostic codes and professionally calibrated.